All right, forest freaks, we're back, and yes, it's another episode of Bigfoot survival shenanigans. Today's challenge, starting a fire using nothing but bear poop. That's right, I said it. And yes, it smells as bad as you. What in the name of Sasquatch is that smell? Oh no, yep, that's bear poop. And today, we're using it. To make fire, you need something dry, fibrous, and disgusting. Enter bear poop. Oh yeah, fresh but crusty. Just how Smokey likes it.
It's warm. Why is it warm?
Smells like success. And failure. Mostly failure.
Oh. Is it working, or is it just steaming?
EES, fire, with poop. I am unstoppable.
I'm blind. The poop betrayed me.
Could have just used matches. Or, you know, NOT, poop. But no, I wanted to be primal.
Lesson of the day. Poop is not flammable. You are.
Next time, can I make a canoe out of bark and dreams? Okay guys, until next time, this is Jack signing off for today. Subscribe now or your poop's next on the fire pit.